So you just move into a house, or maybe you've been in the house for a while and you notice that your front door lock at keypad doesn't want to work anymore. So what we have here is a Schlage door keypad. This locks the deadbolt to our door. All you gotta do is put in a 4-pin code and it'll open. On the outside, you just push one button and it locks. And it's a fun little toy to have for your house. You don't always have to get your key out. And when you leave the house, you just push a button and it automatically locks. But guess what? It runs on batteries, and you may not know how to change the batteries in your Schlage keypad. I'm going to show you right now. So all you have to do is see this black part here on this keypad. You remove that, and you have a wire here. All you got to do is take out the whole battery pack like this, and look at that, there's 4 AA batteries in there. Basically just remove them, put them back in, make sure you put them in the way they're supposed to go in, with the positive where it's supposed to go and the negative it's supposed to go. So like on this one here, you got positive, 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 and positive. So you have them, put them in the correct way. You could even undo this part here. You could actually put a 9-volt battery in here, it looks like. Just hook it up to this and hang it in here. I'm not sure, but I'm just guessing. And then you just grab this here, fit it in place, tuck it back in there like that. Grab the cover, and it'll slip down in place like this. And like I said, when you want to go out, just lock the door, push the button. Look at that. Works like a charm. If you found this video about changing the batteries on your Schlage keypad lock helpful, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos, because I got videos on all types of things around your homes that will help you out in the future. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.